$8,000 in debt, minimum wage job, no financial knowledge. One AI-powered budget system changed everything in 14 months. Today, that exact system, rebuilt step by step for anyone to follow. Debt feels permanent until it suddenly does not. The person in today's case study had $8,000 across 2 credit cards, both at high interest rates, minimum payments every month. The balance barely moved. They felt trapped. Then they built an AI-powered budget system using Claude and Notion, both free. Today I am walking through their exact system, the prompts they used, the budget structure, the psychological tricks they used to stay on track when it felt impossible. Step 1. The brutal honest audit. The first thing they did, the hardest thing, a complete, honest financial audit. No hiding. They opened Claude and typed, "I want to do a complete financial audit. I am going to share my income, all my debts, and my monthly expenses. Ask me questions until you have the full picture. Then give me an honest assessment with no sugarcoating." Claude asked about every income source, every debt including interest rates, every recurring expense, every irregular expense they often forgot about, car insurance, subscriptions. Claude gives you the results. Seeing that number clearly, $4,000 in interest on top of the original debt, was the moment everything changed. Step 2. The debt elimination plan. Claude builds a plan. Claude went through every expense category. Subscription audit. Found $67 per month in forgotten subscriptions. Canceled immediately. Zero quality of life impact. Food and dining. Spending $480 per month. Claude suggested meal planning to reduce to $300 per month. Saved $180 per month. Entertainment, $120 per month. Reduced to $60 per month with free alternatives. Transport, $200 per month. One change in routine saved $40 per month. Total found $347 per month to redirect to debt. New debt elimination plan, pay minimum on the lower interest card. This is the debt avalanche method, saves the most interest overall. Step 3. The Notion tracking system. Having a plan is not enough. You need to see progress daily. They built a debt tracking system in Notion using Claude's template. Claude built a template with a progress bar showing percentage paid off, monthly payment log with running total paid, interest tracker showing real-time savings versus minimum payment path, a win section, first $500 paid off, first card balance under $4,000, etc. Without visible progress markers, people quit. With them, they updated their Notion tracker every payday, watched the progress bar move, logged every win, shared screenshots with no one, just personal motivation. Step 4. The income side. Cutting expenses alone got them to $347 extra per month. Good, but not fast enough. By month 2, they started an AI freelance writing side hustle. Every dollar of side income went directly to debt, not lifestyle, not rewards, debt. That acceleration cut the 26-month plan to 14 months, 12 months saved, thousands in interest avoided,